Seal Sprayed Solutions Cool Roof Recovery System allows for old, torch-down membrane and aged coated or uncoated roofs to be recovered and perform more efficiently than they did when waterproofing was first applied. Our silicone systems are environmentally friendly, resistant to algae growth, highly reflective, and an approved surface for the catchment of drinking water by the Federal Department of Agriculture in the United States. Additionally, as we work on existing solid surfaces, our system allows for the property to remain in use without the major fear of damage from sudden downpours common with conventional roofing methods. The Seal Sprayed Solution Silicone Recovery System is tailor-made by us for the Caribbean. As such, we take into consideration our higher level of ultraviolet light, our higher than average rainfall, the greater likelihood of damage from high wind events, and exposure to salt based on our proximity to the sea in many of our island locations. By using our Energy Star rated high solid silicone, the rescued roofs are 1. Guaranteed to be waterproof for up to 10 years. 2. Energy efficient and shown to reduce the high electricity bills caused by air conditioning. 3. Resistant to UV deterioration. 4. Easy to maintain. And 5. Able to be coated and repaired simply with comparable silicone coatings. All our roofs are backed by Seal Sprayed Solution warranties, which are up to 10 years. We have offices in Jamaica and Trinidad, through which it is capable for us to service the Caribbean. Email us today at info@sealja.com.